Hi, in this video I am going to discuss binary addition and subtraction by ones and twos complement methods. Representation of negative numbers. In decimal system we use plus sign for positive numbers and minus sign for negative numbers. But in binary numbers complement method is used for representing negative numbers. Generally two types of complement methods are available. First one is ones complement method and second one is twos complement method. Ones complement is used to represent negative numbers. Each bit is subtracted from 1 to get the ones complement. A shortcut method is also used. Each bit in the given number is complemented to get its ones complement, that is 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. For example, find the ones complement of 1 0 1 0 1 1. Now we are going to convert all the ones to 0 and zeros to 1 to get the ones complement. So the answer for this question is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now the next example is find the ones complement of 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So now I am going to change 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So the answer is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Two's complement is used to represent negative numbers. When we add 1 to 1's complement, we will get the 2's complement of the given number. For example, find the 2's complement of 1 0 1 0 1 1. So what I am going to do is first going to get 1's complement of this value. So the 1's complement of this value is 0 1 0 1 0 0. This one. Now I'm going to add 1 to the LSB position to get the 2's complement of the given number. So I'm adding 1 here. So the answer becomes 0 1 0 1 0 1. So this is the 2's complement of the given question. Now the second example is this one. Now first we are going to find the ones complement of the given number. That is ones complement of the given number is 0 0 0 0 1. Now I'm going to add plus 1 to the LSB position. So 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So the answer is 1 0. The number to be subtracted is converted into one's complement form or two's complement form to represent it as a negative number. Then it will be added to the first number. Why we are using complement method to perform subtraction is in normal binary subtraction method we are using subtraction process to perform the subtraction. But here in the complement methods, we are using the addition operator to perform the subtraction. This is the main use of the complement method. So all the subtraction, multiplication and divisions we can perform with addition process by complement methods. The following steps are used to subtract a number from using ones complement method. The first step is find the ones complement of the subtrahend. Next, add the ones complement with the minus. Then here two possibilities arises. One is carry present and another one is zero carry. So if the carry is present, then add the carry to the result. Then the result is a positive number. Suppose if there is no carry, find the ones complement of the result and the result is a negative number. This is the procedure to obtain the ones complement method. And subtract 100,101 from 10110 by using ones complement method. Here the minus is 10110 and the subtrahend is 100101. So I am writing here minus and subtrahend. So the first thing is we are going to do the ones complement of subtrahend. the subtrahend is 1 0 0 1 0. So the ones complement of the subtrahend is 0 1 1 0 1 0. This is the ones complement of subtrahend. Just we are inverting the bits, that is 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Then this ones complement value is added to the minute, this one. So here minute is written, then add the ones complement of subtrahend. Now we are adding the two values. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. I am written the sum here. And the carry is added with the next higher order bit here. So again 1 plus 1 is 0. So sum is 0 and the carry is added with the next higher order bit. So this position we are having 1 plus 1 with 0. So the 1 0, the final carry also arises. Based on the procedure, here carry is present. So we are adding the carry with the LSB position. So the answer is 1 1 1. Now the result is positive. So this is the answer 1 1 1 in binary. So now let's see, for performing the subtraction we are using only the addition operator plus. So this is the main use of complement methods, that is subtraction is performed with addition process. In this example, we are going to subtract 54 minus 62. The answer is minus 8. The minus is smaller and subtrahend is bigger. So in this case, how we are going to perform by using ones complement method? Let's see. So first we have to take ones complement of subtrahend. Ones complement of subtrahend is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This one. Now I'm going to add this ones complement value with the minute. So first writing the minute here, then ones complement of subtrahend. Now we are adding these two. So 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1. Now 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 1. So in this case there is no carry. So if no carry is present, we have to take the ones complement of this answer with the negative sign. So I'm going to take the ones complement of this answer. So 0 0 1 0 0 0 with the negative sign. So this will be 1 0 0. This is a decimal equivalent to decimal 8. So here 54 minus 62 we got 8. Here also we got minus 8 in binary form. So this is the way to perform when the minute is smaller. When minute is smaller case, we will not get any carry. So we have to use the rules is, we have to take the complement of the answer and apply minus sign. The following steps are used to subtract a number using 2's complement method. First is find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Next, add the 2's complement with the minute. Now, if there is any carry, ignore the carry. Then the result is a positive number. Next, if there is no carry present in the answer, then ignore the carry. Then find the 2's complement of the result, and the result is a negative number. Subtract 1 0 0 1 0 1 from 1 0 1 1 0 0 using 2's complement method. The minute is this one and subtrahend is this one. So the first is we are going to take the 2's complement of subtrahend. So for 2's complement of subtrahend, how we are getting is, first we are going to get 1's complement of the subtrahend, then add plus 1 to that 1's complement value to get the 2's complement. So the 2's complement of minute is 1, the 0 1 1 0 1 1. So this should be added to the minute. So the minute is here, and add the 2's complement of subtrahend here. Now we are adding these two. 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1 0. So we are writing 0 and 1 we are adding with the here. Again 1 plus 1 is 0. We are adding, we are writing sum here and the carry is present here. So 1 plus 1 1 0. We are written sum here and carry here. So the procedure for choose complement is, if there is any carry is present, ignore the carry. So ignore it and the result is positive. So this is the answer. Now we are going to subtract 54 minus 62. The answer is minus 8. Here the minus is smaller case and the subtrahend is bigger. So first we are writing the 54 and 62 in the binary form. Then binary of 54 is this one and binary of 62 is this. Now we are going to find the 2's complement of subtrahend. This one is the 2's complement of subtrahend. Now we are adding 2's complement of subtrahend with the minus and here. So here we are adding 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1 0. We are writing the sum 0 here and carry is added with the next higher order bit here. So again 1 plus 1 0, sum written here and carry is coming the next higher order bit. So 1 plus 0 1. Now 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1. So this is the answer. Now here no carry. If no carry is present, we need to take the 2's complement of the answer with negative sign. So first I am going to take the 1's complement. So just inverting the bit, 1 change to 0 and 0 change to 1. So 0, 0, 0 and 0 is changed to 1, 1, 1. Now I am adding plus 1 to get the 2's complement value. So I am adding to the LSB position. So 1 plus 1 0, sum is 0 and the carry is added with the next higher order bit here. So 1 plus 1, again sum is 0 and carry is added with the next higher order bit. So 1 plus 1 again 0 and the carry is written in the next higher order bit. So now we are getting 1 0 0 0. This is equivalent to decimal 8. We need to represent with minus 8 when there is no carry present. In decimal system, we use plus sign for positive numbers and minus sign for negative numbers. In binary number system, an additional bit is used as the sign bit. A 0 is used to represent a positive number and 1 is used to represent a negative number. For example, for the 8-bit binary numbers, the MSB bit is represented as a sign bit and remaining bits are used to represent the magnitude bits. For example, an 8-bit signed number, this is number 62. Here, this plus 68, 0 is used to represent a positive number. This MSB position is used to represent a sign number and this is for plus 68. This position is represented as 0. For negative numbers minus 68, this 1 is used to represent the negative numbers. This type of representation for sign number is called sign and magnitude representation. The most significant bit is a sign bit and the remaining bits are the magnitude bit. So for representing plus 3, the sign bit is 0. This is to represent plus 3 and the remaining 3 bits are used to represent the magnitude 0, 1, 1. To represent minus 3, the sign bit is this one. The MSB position 1 represent minus 3 and these are the magnitude bits. Then the two ways to represent 0, plus 0, plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. For writing the minus 0, this MSB position is 1 and the remaining bits are 0, 0. The 1's complement has the advantage of being to implement by digital components, since the only thing to be done is to change the 1's to 0 and 0's to 1. But during the 2's complement method, by finding out the 1's complement of the number and then adding 1 to the LSB of the complement. So, second point, during subtraction of two numbers by a complement method, The 2's complement is advantageous since only one arithmetic addition is required because end-around carry is discarded in the 2's complement method. But in the 1's complement method, when the end-around carry occurs, two arithmetic additions are needed.